The true nature of reality. I think we often doubt spiritual guidance or even presence for the very reason that it is so close and available, so like us. It is not especially awesome or other. It is available and familiar, ordinary. Who is to say what is ordinary or extraordinary apart from social conditionings? When someone is dying, the field changes a bit, like the changing of seasons. The landscape alters. Where before it was spring or summer, now the leaves are turning color or falling off the trees. Our expectation changes. It is a time to gather, shore up, and prepare for solitude. We have seen it before, we who have survived New England winters. Nevertheless, believe the fantastic miracle that spring will come. But we are all secretly amazed by it. In the dead of winter, nothing anywhere can convince us that reawakening will occur. In a similar way, it seems unbelievable when someone who is dying hears or sees things that we do not. But it is all here. If we are still enough, we can hear the voices whispering too. The new flower is alive in the bulb, buried deep underground. All the stages of existence are here simultaneously if we are still enough to allow these dimensions to enter our own awareness. And when they come to us, we may doubt them, precisely because they feel ordinary and familiar. They have been here all along. Our silent attendance has turned up the volume to their presence. The perception of linear time and material reality are the powerful basis of our current societal belief system. We are hypnotized to claim that this alone is real. These are limiting perceptions. We will relax our fear and anxiety as we release these imperatives. Time is running out and I don't have enough of everything. Slip away. Time is infinite, and this material manifestation is temporary. What is real? Meditate on that, and the generous, quiet presences will speak in the language of love and truth. They have been here all along. Stillness is the doorway. Our minds do not understand the true nature of reality. Only love can lead us.